building my greenhouse with bamboo. Got another mile to carry it. Thought I could wheel it around on the skateboard, but that's not working out, so just walking it back. And with this one, about right here. Okay, frame is actually starting to take shape now. I put 2 support beams, one down here, one up there. Let's see how that does for now. I feel like I probably need way more support. This thing is pretty wobbly. Was thinking about either adding more arches, like another one right here, and then maybe one about right here, because the door is going to be right here. I don't know yet. Yeah, probably add another arch or 2. I'm going to make a support this way. That should help a lot. I'm liking it though. I still have plenty of bamboo. I've only used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sticks of bamboo so far. So, and I've got a good like 10 left. This is pretty sick though. Look at it. Put the plastic over it. Almost there. Check out that knot though. Basically you just wrap around 3 times here and here. These 2 are wrapped around 3 times. And you do like a little X, wrap it around, wrap it around. Anyway, that makes a real strong little joint there. Can't really go anywhere. Of course it has like a little bit of plate. It's still strained, but it's not gonna go anywhere. It'll be strong. Left a little extra for the second arch, or the fourth arch. Okay, I could probably use a little bit more support. I'm just not too sure where I should put that support at. But the frame is pretty much done. It's not perfect arches. They're all a little different. Hopefully it doesn't cause too many issues. Have to watch these little edges so they don't stab through the plastic. And then, more support though. How could I? Alrighty. Progress. I think I'm ready for the plastic. I'm gonna do the doorway after the plastic is up. Because I'm not too sure how the plastic's gonna sit on the door frame, and I wanna like adjust it as the plastic is already here. So this is my extra supports. I got another one over here too. This one probably could have went a lot higher, but it didn't. I still have more bamboo if I need to add more supports, which I could see like one more being needed right here, and then maybe another one up here. But other than that, it seems like that's as good as it's probably going to get. Once the bamboo hardens up and dries, it should be a lot more stable. But worst case, I'll come back in with the cinder blocks and put them near some of the bases, and then fill those in with concrete, and then it'd be real stable. But whenever I get my second load of gravel, I'm going to fill this all in with gravel. Yeah. Okay, I've got my used plastic. I was gifted this by a neighbor. He's like, I'm never gonna use this, it's gonna go to the dump. You wanna use it? And I was like, sure, I'll take it. So it's been sitting here for a month or two, but now I'm finally realizing the idea for it and the plan for it. But I ended up putting up another support. I just felt like right here in this archway, there just was not going to be any support for the plastic right there, so that should do it, hopefully. But I'm going to try to throw the plastic up on top of the little greenhouse. Of course, chilling in it. It's pretty cool to think like I made this out of bamboo. It's not a perfect thing, but it will work. It's just a greenhouse, you know, so it's like, and I don't know, maybe temporary, because I'll definitely need something a lot bigger to grow all of my food. This is just for now. With the plastic I have, I'm gonna order more plastic and then build a way bigger one, because this was super simple, but proof of concepts. Wow, my phone died while I was recording me putting on the plastic, and I didn't even know until the plastic was up. But it's up. It's still super loose, so I've got these awesome things. They're little clips that you use to grab onto the plastic, and then it's called like a Greif clip. And you use it to grab onto the plastic, and then you tie a string on a little loop here, and you're able to tighten them down. So I'm going to do that. I got 8 of them. They were gifted to me. So this is still basically a free greenhouse, but these probably cost like 10 bucks. So still super cheap to get your hands on. Anyway, let's do this. Finally here. One, 2, 3, right there. Cord going. And then through here. So. Okay. Now I got over here on this side. I got the clips all done now. It's not perfect. I wish the plastic was way tighter, but I think because it's used plastic, it's already got like its natural shapes to it that it's had from being used. But look, check it out. A little bit of the backside real quick, just so you guys can see a clear thing. Man, that is so ugly. But it works, it's functional. It's kind of ugly. I think if I just cleaned up the edge, it would look a lot better. I'm going to do more improvements to it, but this is the part of it that I did for free. Technically, this would work for growing things under to keep them out of the rain, and whatever else you want to do. Here in Hawaii, the temperature and humidity sits perfect, so really I just need to get less rain on my plants, and then they produce crazy good. But I'm super happy with the result. Plastic could look better, but it's a free greenhouse that's just designed to, the only purpose of it is to stop rain from getting on my plants. So as long as it does that, we're good to go. See right here, there's like a natural dip to it that no matter what I do, it's not gonna pull out. So I'm just gonna let it be what it is right there. I added another arch to try to help it, but it didn't make much of a difference. I might run another support brace. That would be the only real effective thing that I could do. Zoe's chasing the chickens. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of how to make a free greenhouse with bamboo. Like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. Anyway,